Hi guys, it's Ed. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. I don't know what is happening in Russia, but the situation there is getting worse day by day. We have another streak of attacks, another series of attacks there, and we will see everything that is going on right now. And of course, we will follow the situation and we will have updates in every new video. Let's see the footage.
Looks like another eventful week in Russia is starting. Fires, utility breakdowns, and bad weather conditions continue to storm Russian cities. In Samara, a market is on fire. The area of fire has already reached 1,000 square meters. In Kazan, a new river formed right in the city. Underground communications burst there. Several streets were blocked because of the utility accident. One car turned into a ship. In Vladivostok, a hurricane is raging. Powerful storm up to 30 meters per second demolishes everything on its way. Roofs, poles, and even people. Regional flights have been canceled because of the weather. The Ruski Bridge was closed for buses and trucks. According to the occupational forces, electric substations in occupied Makiivka and Donetsk came under attack last night. Several districts have no power. See, unlike Bakhmut, Soledar, and Popasna, these occupied territories still exist. Welcome to Ukraine. One of the greatest military battles of our time. Footage of a large-scale enemy assault that took place in late October last year in Avdiivka direction was published by the 110th Separate Mechanized Brigade. During the largest-scale attacks, the Russians simultaneously used on the battlefield such a quantity of equipment that no country has ever used in any conflict in the 21st century. The 110th Brigade comments on the archival footage in its post. NATO is launching its largest exercise in nearly 40 years today, simulating a conflict with a near-equal adversary. The Steadfast Defender exercise will involve about 90,000 people from NATO countries and the candidate to join the alliance, Sweden. It is known that more than 50 ships, over 80 fighter jets, helicopters and drones, and at least 1,000 combat vehicles will take part in the exercise. The maneuvers will last until the end of May in the territory from Norway to Romania. According to DPA, the exercise scenario is a Russian attack on a NATO country that triggers Article 5 of the North Atlantic Alliance's Collective Defense Treaty. The last NATO exercise of this scale was held in 1988. It involved about 125,000 soldiers. At this point, the scale of the exercise gives reason to say that NATO members, using all available information, no longer have any illusions about Putin and his plans. It is worth noting that according to experts at the Institute for the Study of War, Russia is conducting an information operation to present NATO's Steadfast Defender 2024 defense exercise, which is a response to Russia's aggression against Ukraine and Russian threats against NATO members, as provocative.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and also I hope you like the news in the video. We will keep like this in the future. We will have another update. Everything will be reported on time. I think that this channel is covering Ukraine like no other channel. Stay with us, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.